So I basically made a complete model of it, like total replica of how the stock actually moves, right? So this is what you can expect. I mean, volatility is really, really crazy, right? Really, really crazy. Now this is too many ups, right? It's way too many ups. I'll just console log this. Console log A. So we can see if it's gone up or if it's gone down, right? Up, up. Yeah, you see, so you went from 105,000 to down to 101,000. Sometimes it even goes lower. Up, down, down. You see? So you were 105,000. Now you're actually below your principal investment. Yeah. Now you lost 3,500. You lost 5,000. You're still below your actual. Yeah. You see how scary it is, right? Holy moly. So in here you were up 105,000. So you were up 5,000, right? Uh, well, let me add this in here. Principal. Let. And then we're going to console log as well. 100,000 minus principal. No, principal minus 100,000. My apologies. Principal minus 100,000. Yeah, so you're now minus. Yeah. So far the highest is 48,000, right? So now you're 6,000, 8,500 up, 10,000 up. Oh man, you're on a winning streak. Yeah. Well, this is a very, very good start, I have to say. Oh, whoops. Let me just start again. I need to restart this. So you see what's happening. Yeah, so you see you 1.5 up, minus 2,500 now, minus 4,000 now, minus 6,000. Yeah, you see. Yeah, so you see now you're back. Well, this one is slightly unlucky, I have to admit. Yeah, but you see over time it balances out, right? So you went through extremely unlucky days, right? Look, you were like -7, you were -9,000, right? So you went from being 3,500 to -10,000. That's the worst. And then it balanced out, right? But I mean, look how many days you had to go through negative. Yeah. So you see, if you sell, you're gonna lose, right? If you sell, you're gonna lose. You just have to hold it, basically. Yeah, you see. Like I have a simulator for this, so you don't have to manually click. It will run 365 days, and then it will show you what's gonna happen. And that's how I did it in. That's how I did it in here. You see, it's this one here. I have a simulator in here. That's for a different one. That's for a different fund. It's called Wisdom Tree. 57% probability of going up, right? So you see, if you play it over 365 days, you almost will never lose, right? 93% probability of winning, right? So you see how this changes. So with this, right, fund, you have 93% probability of winning if you keep it for 365 days. If you do 700 days, you have, I think, 100% probability of winning, right? Yeah, 100% probability of winning, right? So you see, you have to hold it for at least 2 years in here. Otherwise, you can go, right? Hmm. So you see, this fund has no liquidity at all because you cannot sell it, right? Because when you put it in, you have to put it in for 2 years, but you cannot sell it, right? Because you could sell it on, okay? So just be aware of that. Don't panic sell, okay? Don't panic sell.